if x to the power 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is what? Let us solve this question. It looks complex, but it is not. As I understand that most of the students get scared by looking at x to the power 51 and they just give up. But no, that is not the way to solve this question. How are we going to do it? You remember the remainder theorem? It says that if we have a polynomial px with degree greater than or equal to 1, and if this polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then its remainder is equal to p of a. We are going to use this theorem to solve this question, and you will see how simple and easy the question is. In this question, the given polynomial is equal to x to the power 51 plus 51. So you see this is the px. Then we have to divide this with a linear polynomial x plus 1. Now if you look at it here, how we got this minus a and a? It is like x minus a, we have made it equal to 0, and so we got the value of x, which is a, and that is used here. We are going to do the same in this case. So x plus 1 must be equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Now we can put this minus 1 over here as per the definition of the remainder theorem. So the remainder is equal to p of minus 1. Since px is equal to x to the power 51 plus 51, therefore p of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 to the power 51 plus 51, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 51. Here we have this minus symbol, and here we have 51, that is an odd number. So if we multiply minus with minus odd many times, the answer will be minus, and 1 into 1 is always 1. So what we get here is minus 1, and we already have 51, which is equal to minus 1 plus 51 is 50, which is our answer. So you see how easy it was. You just don't have to get scared. Start solving it and you will get the answer. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.